Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about two film directors which are Datuk Jamil Sulong and Ho Yi Han. For Datuk Jamil Sulong, his film for today we're going to talk about is Si Tanggang. Si Tanggang is a Malay traditional tale which tell about a young guy who named Si Tanggang who betrayed his mother and become a stone because he is cursed by his mother. So for this film, actually this is a Malay tale told in many places including Brunei and Indonesia. So this film is very popular among the Malays because it is told through the generation to the next generation. So all the kids, they will know about this film. And for the synopsis for this film, the mother and the father for this son, Si Tanggang, they live in a poor family, and at last Si Tanggang become rich, and he actually betrayed them, as in they don't recognize them as their parent, and finally he become stoned. Moral of the story, we must be filial, alright? During the 1900s, the Malay people, they are quite poor, so they become fishermen, they live by the seaside, and their only income comes from the sea. As for the film genre, it is a musical and melodrama. So in this film, you can listen to many kind of Malay songs which are that you never heard before, you know. And it's so cool to go back to that generation and listen to all that kind of songs. Love it so much. And of course, during that time, it's black and white, and most of the camera cinematic aspect, I think, is handheld, and sometimes they will use zoom a bit, and very long tag. And that's it for Datuk Jamil Sulong. And next we move to Ho Yi Han. As for Ho Yi Han, he was trained as an engineer but went into filmmaking due to his love for vintage film. Yi Han began his career by shooting commercials in the mid-1990s. So in 2000, Yi Han co-directed a Malaysian documentary Semangat Insan, and then in 2006 he directed Red Dots. As for his style and the movie genre, he likes to talk about sadness and happiness, like life journey. As for this movie, Red Dots, it is about a young man search for his brother in the city and how he comes to terms with the brother's eventual accidental death. And as hard as he attempts to hold on to his family, whose only member left is the mother, he fails and runs away to a fishing village to be with his uncle and to reminisce his dead brother back from the family before. From the quiet encounter in his peaceful home village to the chaos and excitement of the urban centers to him finally seeking exile in the border town north of Malaysia. This is a film about a music of change and love and loss and sadness of those living on the fringe. So for this movie, actually this young man struggled so much because he used to experience all the snatch streak, gambling. Yi Han likes to talk about this kind of concept, humans have different experience when they go to different places, and when they experience new things, they appreciate life. So thank you guys for your attention. Thank you.